Good morning, one and all. I'm Krishna Kulkarni, and alongside me is.
Simran Jha, and today we're going to discuss about the logic model. So, what is a program about?
The program would bring about a series of events and activities that would be held at various long term care centers, which would reside 60 plus aged clients. So, why are we doing this? What's our motive?
Because we aim to enhance the quality of life of residents in terms of not only nutritional intake but physical capabilities as well, with the help of sponsorships, fundings, and volunteership programs. In this program, we plan to invest in fitness center. The activities will be held in garden during the summertime, whereas in the winter time, the activities will be held in the auditorium. The material required are going to be yoga mat, sports shoes, hand towels, and water filters. We also intend to focus on volunteership programs, sponsorship and fundings, nutritional events that include the participation of residents. The dates for that are going to be 3rd of July 2021 and 20th July 2021. We aim to build connections with universities and colleges as that will increase our partnership.
As far as outputs are concerned, various activities and competitions would be held, which would involving physical training based on fitness, and also we would be conducting volunteer hiring events wherein we would be reaching out to people who are willing to work for the program, and also mindful yoga would be practiced, and the staff who are working in the program would be educated and trained professionally. The games involving chess, carom, cards, all will be uh, conducted, which would increase the thinking abilities of the clients, and also various activities, including debates, quizzes, group discussions, would be based, which would focus particularly on food and its nutritional benefits. For the participation, who would reach out to? So our target crowd would be clients who are 60 plus aged, and as far as language and culture is concerned, there would be no barrier, and we would be targeting people who are living by all by themselves and have no company to live along with.
Outcomes. For short term results, we expect that our clients are aware about the benefits that come from physical activity and nutritional values, and also to improve interactions on social level.
As far as the medium term results are concerned, it would involve motivating the clients to keep themselves mobile and active most of the time, and to improve their mental health overall, to develop their cognitive functions.
Long term results are basically focused on maintaining the body weight and composition, to develop a well balanced lifestyle that maintains the ideal BMI for each resident, balances glucose level, cholesterol levels, and blood pressures. This program aims to reach out to maximum people, those are 60 plus. It assumes that it will enhance the quality of lifestyle, which in return would improve their mental and physical well being, which is a major part and the main part of a program.
The correct usage of the funding from the sponsors and also from the volunteership programs which will be conducted, we tend to provide opportunities to people who are willing to serve or contribute to the goals of this organization. So, as far as the external factors are concerned, as we know, the number of old age homes are increasing in the modern times, so it would be a tough competition. So, this would affect the sponsorship, funding, and volunteership program.
Due to old age health concerns, Some in-house residents might be suffering with mental and physical disabilities, which is a major part of social determinant of health in Canada, and that could hamper their chances to participate in physical activities, which might be a very great limitation for some of them. To evaluate, we intend to take review from our clients on regular basis to keep a check on outcomes which are aimed to get fulfilled. We also aim to keep a check on the health status of clients that is included in the long-term results as well, be it mental health or physical health, by personal counseling and regular health checkups.
Regular evaluation would be conducted, which would keep a check on the performance of the employees who are working in the organization, and also what are their contributions to the organization, and to evaluate whether the targets of the sponsorship inputs, the investments, goals have been successfully achieved.
Evaluation is a big part of the program.
So these are the references which we referred to.
All of y'all can have a look if any one of y'all are interested. Thank you for
And
sparing
thank
some
you.
time and listening to us. Have a great day ahead.
Bye.